This time on Outside the Barn, I bought a wrecked 2004 Monte Carlo SS. You know, my dad bought one of these brand new when I was a kid, just like this. The car ran forever. This car has 126,000 miles on it. And I'm going to see if I can fix this thing up a little bit, make a good driver out of it. So I'm here at Pick and Pull in Kansas City. Let's go see if we can find some sheet metal. Let's see what they have to offer us here. This location used to be one of the Armco steel buildings in Kansas City. I think it was just a warehouse here for Armco, but still cool. GM stuff is straight back. It's probably 1,000 3.8 liter somethings out here. Who knows if there's any Monte Carlos. Alright, well there's one. It's an 03. This fender is okay, but they want like 75 bucks for a fender here. It's just crazy. That's not gonna happen. The hood is tweaked over here. That's probably not our guy. Front bumper cover's not too bad. Again, you can get a new one cheap, so no real reason to mess with that. What I really need though, this one had red strut bars, racing edition. I need this little bracket right here that holds the hood latch for starters, and then something in here must secure the headlights. I'm not sure what exactly. I'll have to dig around and figure that out. Oh, yeah, let's stay out of the inside of this one. Option number 2, hood's pretty wasted, but I don't know, it's just a driver. Probably just buy new. Ugh. Could use that switch. Well, this black one here can at least give us some stuff. Then we'll have to go check out another yard for the rest of it, but I need this thing right here because it mounts the inside of the headlight. And then I'll pull this hood latch assembly, which I thought was bent, but then I looked at that Grand Prix and it's the same way, so must be not too bent. Well, that's that thing. Yeah, hopefully they only charge me for one part. Pro tip, if you're pulling stuff out of Pick and Pull, get everything attached to it. That way the idiot behind the counter will be like, oh yeah, that's a doohickey bobber, it's an alternator bracket, that'll be $3. Not too much luck there, but I did borrow these in my pocket. Oopsies. 5-finger discount is always applicable at your local Pick and Pull. So let's go try our luck with the next one, see if we make out any better. Pick and Pull number 2, Truman Road, Kansas City. Look at that yellow Monte SS over there. Of course, they don't got that one in yet. I'll probably buy the whole car. What about a vet? Look at that. What a waste. 89 vet, tune port 350. I mean, that'd be a good motor. That should be aluminum heads on that. Am I going to be pulling heads while I'm out here? I mean, come on, those are worth something. Are you aluminum headed? You sure as shit are. Uh-oh. Ugly, but they're still cool. I found this guy out here. It's got a decent hood, but a lot of mud in there. So I'll probably pass on it. It did have this really cool race car scoop on it though. I did take the headlights out of it, even though I'm pretty sure I wasn't supposed to. But oh well. Alright, you come off of here, huh? Oh, you still got something down there. Of course you do. There we go. It all fits right in the trunk. Yeah, there. Still got to get sheet metal. Probably buy that new. It's cheap enough. But, now it's less illegal. Looks better. Back home with our junkyard parts. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the headlight support brace thing, attachment thing. And then the cross brace with the hood latch and the new hood latch. And maybe even the bumper cover. And then just try to get the hood to latch so I can drive this thing as is. Put both new headlights in, of course. And then I'm going to go ahead and order new fenders and a hood. You'll probably see that in another episode of Outside the Barn. Because, over here I just kind of do whatever I want. And, this is not necessarily strictly channel related stuff. But this is what I'm doing in my off time normally. So, I don't know. It's kind of interesting. Go ahead and get this pile out of here. see if we can help this thing out a little bit and maybe keep me from getting a fix-it ticket at work tomorrow. Let's get the hood latch brace out. The headlight mounting panel, which is stronger than I thought. It's made out of fiberglass, weirdly enough, and that's why it definitely didn't hold up. So. You know, the good thing I just noticed here, kind of surprised, usually on new cars there's not a whole lot of adjustment to the parts. Like, they pretty much fit, and then when you wreck it, you just, you know, get a new car. The reason I really like these late 90s, early 2000s GM cars is they're kind of a good combination of like older quality and, you know, just like, as in like worse quality, honestly. You know, like the reason all of this is adjustable is because nothing fit when it was new. But that's not a bad thing, really. It gives you options. Your bolt is in, everything's loosely assembled. Got to make sure the hood latches, and that's really the big thing here. And I may go ahead and just throw this new bumper cover on here, even though we'll have to unbolt it to put the fenders on. But I don't think we'll be working too far ass backwards if we do that. So let's give her a shot. And just for giggles, what does this do? It lands in completely the wrong place. So I didn't get a hood, obviously, but, you know, got to go to work tomorrow. So this just needs a minor adjustment. Ooh. I am a master. Now will it open? Didn't feel good. Oh. Well, that's curious. Not really sure what happened there. This latch probably needs to move up. I'm going to tinker with this a little bit and let's see where we wind up. I do think it latched there, but it just didn't feel quite right. This little hook here was bent too far that way and just wouldn't grab the safety catch. So it just needs a minor adjustment. There we go. Is that gonna work? I mean, it's latched, so it's already quite the improvement. Hey, there we go. Now both the latch and the safety mechanism work correctly-ish. Yep, well, we're going to pull this out and then dispose of it in a totally environmentally friendly manner by recycling it with no fire. Well, the fitment's not great. That'll probably get fixed once I have the correct clips to hold in the headlights. This one's a little better over here, ironically. In lieu of the clips, I just, you know, duct tape the headlights in place, so I'm sure that has nothing to do with it. That said, it's a hell of a lot better. I mean, ugly, but it's in one piece again. And the hood shuts. It's always good. Oh, I think it shut. Yeah, sure. Obviously, end game here is going to be to scuff and shoot that silver and get a new hood, new fenders, and then probably overhaul the whole car. But this is a good start. So if you want to see more of me and the Monte SS build, it's not really a build, it's just building me a daily driver. But I can film it. It doesn't take too much time if I do it like this. Just, you know, let me know down in the comments if it's something you'd be interested in. I know it's not the norm, but frankly, I think these cars are kind of coming up in the world. It's not the supercharged one or anything, but it is a two-door car that you just don't see anymore because, hell, they don't even build cars anymore, hardly. Thanks for watching Outside the Barn. I'll probably see you on Pole Barn Garage very soon. And thanks again for watching.